Taxi boss Josie Banyoni is appearing in court for the first time, and I have to admit, when it comes to these cases, especially cases that are linked to the Matlanga Commission and Ket Matlala, it's quick. You get arrested today, tomorrow you are appear in court. And they were just telling him that at the moment they still need to gather evidence, and then obviously after 7 days he will proceed with his appeal for bail. So I'm wondering how much he will need to pay for bail. Probably like maybe 10,000 or 15,000, because the bail amount is not pretty crazy when it comes to these cases. But the curious thing that I noticed when it comes to his court appearance, Josie Banyoni, is that they're translating what the judge is saying into isiZulu. I guess the guy doesn't know English, which obviously you don't need to know English to be a taxi boss. I mean, like, obviously you are dealing with your own people. You don't know English, it doesn't matter. All you need to know is to know how to count money.
Capital letter A of the Criminal Procedure Act for the applicants to show to the court that it would be in the interest of justice for them to be released on bail.
So I guess we have to wait for 7 days so that he can appeal for bail. I think it will happen. It won't be a train smash. It won't be anything hectic. But I'm wondering, with his case, will they reveal more skeletons about Ket Matlala? I mean, he has to know something. Shouldn't they have pressed him to give more details as to why Ket Matlala tried to assassinate him? What were the business dealings between them? Because yes, the state right now has arrested Josie Banyoni so they can investigate further. So these are the looming questions. And his extortion case, why were they extorting this man? I mean, like, extortion is not really a big deal, right? You shouldn't be extorting people, especially if you're a taxi boss. Most probably you have all the money that you need. So there must be a reason to all of this. So it will be for further investigation as he's going to be attending court. They will continue investigation, and obviously right now, since he's rattled, he might slip up, give out more information. You get what I mean? So man, this is a good thing by the state to actually arrest this guy, even though it's a minor charge. More evidence will reveal more cases that he can go to jail for.
The state is going to make an application at the end that